What's up, guys? Albert Dom back with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about the 5 reasons why you should get a Navy Federal auto loan. All right, guys, let's get straight into it. So here we are on the website. Auto loan rates as low as 4.09% for new vehicles. Get a decision in seconds, plus a discount for active duty retired military. Let's scroll down here to get some more data points. So whether you're looking to buy a new or used car or even want to refinance your auto loan from another lender, we're here to help. So if you guys currently have an auto loan that has more APR, Navy Federal will help you refinance that loan. So if you guys don't have an account with them, I definitely recommend you guys get an account with them so you guys could do this refinancing with them. So for new and used cars, you guys could get decision in seconds in most cases, pre-approvals that are good for 90 days, exclusive military discounts to help you save. So refinance car loans. Refinance could lower your interest rate, decrease your monthly payment, or both. Opportunity to get $200 when you refinance your auto loan from another lender. So they'll even give you $200. Loan terms that work for you. 24/7 access to a stateside member rep. So unlike big banks and other lenders that are be giving you a loan, Navy Federal is a credit union, which means they care a lot more about the relationship and actually helping you out and working with you one-on-one. So today's auto purchase and refinance loan rates. So if you have a new vehicle, it'll go up to 36 months, APR as low as 4.09%. 37 to 60 months, APR as low as 4.49%. 61 to 72 months, APR as low as 4.79. 73 to 84 months, APR as low as 6.69. 85 to 96 months, 7.59%. So this is all on a new vehicle. For a used vehicle, it'll be 4.99% for 36 months. 37 to 60 months, 5.49%. 61 to 72 months, 5.59%. And then for these two, it's not showing. I don't know why. But yeah, this is definitely a lot better APR than a bunch of other credit unions and banks. So I definitely recommend, if you guys don't have one with a relationship with Navy Federal, you guys open it up ASAP before you actually think you need it, and be over prepared before you go and get that auto loan. So here are the 5 reasons why you should be getting this with Navy Federal. So one of the first reasons is 9 times out of 10, they won't be doing any income verification. So usually most auto dealerships and lenders want to see some sort of proof of income. If you're a W-2, they will be checking your pay stubs. If you're a 1099, they will verify your income through bank statements. And lately, a lot of banks and even credit unions have been using the software Plaid to confirm all of your data. And as the banks tighten up, there will be a lot of new softwares that are coming out to double confirm all of your bank info. So just make sure when it comes to what information you're giving them that everything checks out and it's correct, because they will be confirming with all of the new softwares they're releasing. So the second reason is that they offer 100% financing. So there's no money down for a car loan, and they're willing to work with you if you have a bad credit score. So like I was saying earlier in the video, this usually comes with credit unions, and big banks usually won't do this. Credit unions care more about the relationship with you than big banks. Big banks do as well, but the credit unions are usually more for the people and actually care about helping you out. So this is definitely another big reason why I recommend this loan. Usually with other lenders, you're going to have to put in some kind of down payment depending on your credit score. But since they're a credit union, they care about the relationship, and it's not only about your credit score. They're willing to work with you one-on-one. So the third reason is you could save time by knowing how much you're approved for. This will let you know what your budget is and what you're looking for, so you guys don't just walk into the bank and don't know what you're going to get approved for and just looking around or wasting time. This will help you be over prepared. And another thing, if you guys come to the bank already with the check, if you guys come to the dealership already with the check in hand, pre-approval from a credit union or a bank, this will help you not get, it's called shotgunning your credit score, where you guys get a bunch of inquiries on your credit report, which will really hurt your credit score and really hurt your chances of getting approved for anything else, like business credit cards, loans, whatever else you guys want to get. Usually I see for our clients, whenever they do get a car, they're going car shopping, they get a bunch of inquiries and their credit gets shotgunned, and it really hurts their approval probabilities for everything else they go for in the future. So definitely make sure that you guys have a pre-approval check before you guys even walk into the dealership to get a car loan. I go over this in another video on my YouTube channel. So if you guys still haven't checked that out, make sure you guys check that out. And that will help you guys out a lot. So the fourth reason is you'll have a lot more negotiating power if you've already been approved. Most car dealerships will try to upsell you on something if you haven't been pre-approved yet. But since you came prepared and already have a check, that means you can walk away to a different dealership if you don't like the terms, and that gives you the upper hand in the negotiation. And we all know whoever could walk away in the negotiation usually has the power. So when you're in the dealership, the sales rep or whoever you're talking to will feel this and notice that you have already been pre-approved, so they're willing to be more compliant with you and see where they can meet you and work with you more to get your sale and get your money, right? So this will definitely give you a lot more negotiating power if you guys already come through more prepared and ready with the pre-approval. All right, so the fifth reason why is Navy Federal will approve you for multiple auto loans. So I've seen a bunch of our clients get approved for one auto loan and then go ahead and get another auto loan a couple months later, and Navy Federal will work with you and approve you for multiple auto loans. I don't see a lot of dealerships doing that, not that I'm aware of, but I know Navy Federal does that, and that's one of the big reasons why you guys should go with it. So another bonus reason why is, like you guys saw on the website, they have a really good APR, 4.9%. This is better than a lot of other banks and especially auto dealerships when it comes to getting an auto loan. So even I know with their credit cards, I'm not sure if they do this with the auto loan, but with their credit cards, if you have a credit card for at least a year with them, a personal credit card, and most likely the business credit cards too, they'll actually let you negotiate the interest rate. So we had a client that has been banking with Navy Federal for I think a year or two or more recently, and he had a credit card, and he had a credit card with him, the Platinum, and we had him negotiate the interest rate and bring it down. The interest rate for him was like 18% APR. That's what they do. But if you have a relationship with them, they'll actually help you negotiate that. So they'll most likely, you guys could try it out and most likely have this done with the auto loan as well after you guys had it open for a while and after you guys have been banking with Navy Federal for a while. So if you guys still don't have a relationship with Navy Federal, definitely recommend you guys open it up. Even if you're not planning to go for the auto loan this week or this month, you guys definitely want to plan ahead and make sure that you guys are ready and you guys already have the relationship with Navy Federal, have deposits go through on the personal side. If you guys want to get this under your business name, definitely open up a business checking account with Navy Federal. They will not give you any business credit products if you guys don't have a business relationship with them. So definitely open up a business checking account with them. And then when you guys do go for the loan, just get this put under the name of the corporation and they'll help you guys do that as well. All right, guys. So that's it for this video. I hope that was a super helpful video and sold you on why you guys should have auto loan with Navy Federal. If you guys still haven't subscribed, make sure you guys click the link below to subscribe. And if you guys want to learn everything about personal credit and business credit A to Z and learn how to get 100K of 0% funding or more, you guys can click the link below to book a call with me or somebody from my team, and we'll show you on how all of that works. And if you guys still haven't joined the school community, click the link below to join the school community. I show you how to fix your own credit for a lot cheaper than any credit repair company will, and that will help you guys out with everything else on your credit journey when it comes to auto loans, getting approved for an apartment, getting business credit cards, business loans, business lines of credit, and everything credit related. So if you guys still haven't joined the school community, click the link down below to join. Hope that was a super helpful video with a bunch of practical takeaways, and I'll see you guys here on the next video.